Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. This is your UGNX trainer Jyotiranjan Singh from Skyy Rider Institutions, welcoming you on today's session of UGNX. So in today's session we'll be knowing about CAD CAM CAE. Okay, like what is CAD, what is CAM and what is CAE. We know that UGNX is a CAD CAM software. Okay, like there we can do CAD, also the CAM part. Okay, let us understand what is CAD CAM and CAE. Okay, so that whenever we will be learning it will be quite easy for us. Computer aided design, or we can say CAD. Okay, first we will be learning about CAD, so that is called as computer aided design. Okay, is a way to digitally create 2D drawing and 3D models of real world products before they are ever manufactured, or we can say we can also reverse engineer any product. Okay, so that we'll be getting a desired product of our own or a new product. Okay, like we have this pen over here. Okay, to manufacture it again or to add some new features in this pen, we'll be doing it reverse engineering. Before also this pen is not made. Okay, we have like seen the real world object that this like structure will be needing, so this like structure we made over here. So 2D like CAD is generating a new product or doing any product modification. That is why, and in the digitally we will be creating in our softwares, that is called CAD or computer aided designing. Okay, with the help of CAD software we can share, review, simulate, modify, design easily. Like I have said you, for designing processes will be doing assemblies, simulations or modifications. Okay, which is quite difficult in our 2D draftings. Okay, because there will be drawing, so it will be like exact match or not, so lots of process. Then we'll be making the prototypes, then if it will not matching, then again we have to change the design. So that is a lot of time waste on that. So here what can we do is the fully, as it is a computerized thing, so here we can see the modeling or generate the model and as well as modify it with respect to the times that or respect to the desired things we need. Okay, like if our two products are not matching, so here we can change quite easily. Like I have said, if in assemblies we will be seeing it, the clearance and classes of the parts. So if that is occurs, so here we can modify it easily as compared to our draftings in our past drafting sheets. It is a enhance the productivity of the designer. Like the designer will be enhancing its knowledge to produce or to design a thing. Okay, like if you are doing something, the production the designer have to think in all ratios. Okay, so that it will be enhancing his knowledge, so that it will be having a most productive things we can get. And also the designer will be quite efficient to do all the works. Okay, if for 2 to 3 models in a day he have to manufacture or design, he can do in this CAD software. But while in the compared to draftings, they will be quite low. Okay, like for a day one designing he can make. Improve the quality of designing. Like I have said you, these are the productivity, quality, also as the quality. Like it will be enhancing all the knowledges of the designing ratios, parameters, designing parameters to be enhanced by the designer. Improve communication through documentations. Okay, like previously if we want to save our drafting sheets for further uses, it will be not saved for quite long time, it will be getting damaged. Okay, if you want to send it to the other countries or the customers, like we are a one company, we are doing the CAD designing things. Okay, and another company will be doing the manufacturing. It will be taking lots of time for us to give that thing. Okay, and so if like we are doing and we have an order of that design, so if you want to give the design to the owner, then the owner will be taking it will be reaching him to the quite long time. So it is a long process. Okay, like it will be taking much time as well as, and the product will be not effective, or like proper product will be not there, and it can be stored for longer period. That is why we'll be using it is better, that is why it is better than our drafting. CAD is better than for our like paper draftings. Then create database for manufacturing. Okay, the database like G codes, M codes automatically will be created in our these softwares. Okay, this or we can say if this is the thing, so we can generate the tool path by seeing the diagram. We can also generate the tool path, or like we can create a database over for manufacturing process, like you can store these processes or the designs. Okay, that is called database things. Then what are the examples of CAD software? Like AutoCAD is the basic of CAD software. There will be only the drafting is done. Then CATIA, NX, SolidWorks, Creo, these are the high-end softwares. Okay, like here everything is possible in the CAD and CAM and CAE also. This can eventually possible. Like our generation is increasing, or the generation is going moving forward, going day by day. So this software is also giving new features in that, so that it will be enhancing the designer as well as the it will be helping for us to design it more accurately and precisely. What is CAM? CAM is computer aided manufacturing. That is, in the software will be doing all kind of manufacturing itself. Okay, by the software only will be seeing no need of doing any prototype models over here. All the machining parts will be all the machines, direct the machines will be set up on your software. A virtual machines will be set up, and how the tool movement will be there, how what will be the tool path, it will be all seen over here, or we can manage that. Or even the processes. Okay, like for generating tool paths, G codes, M codes will be generating over here, so that we can directly, no need of typing our G codes and M codes, and directly we can feed to the machine by a chip, or we can say pen drive. From here we'll be generating it and editing some parts, then again directly we'll be putting in the machines. Okay, that is why this is CAM part is used. Okay, that is why computer aided manufacturing is used. It is like a virtual software, okay, which will be seeing for manufacturing. Like previously what are they doing is, like they will be generating one thing, then again they will be manufacturing it. Okay, so if there will be some inaccurate will be there, the product will be wasted. So if the tool will be taken wrong, then the product will be wasted. So therefore helping that, or we can say for modifying things like this, so this CAM part is used, where we can see virtually what is the process, what are the tool will be used, and what is the tool path will be generated, what is the raw material will be used, and we can get the finished product we can see over here. And the same process will be doing, or we will be generating the codes over here, and the same thing will be putting in the machine, and the exact thing will be getting. And the some softwares like NX, Creo, Mastercam, as well as our CATIA, SolidWorks also, they are using our CAM part nowadays. Like most of the time Mastercam and NX are used for our CAM part, okay, producing CAM thing. Then at last one is CAE, computer aided engineering. Okay, like there will be seeing or analyzing thing, okay, which material will be suitable for our parts. There you will be seeing like lots of thing: volumetric analysis, structural analysis, static analysis, fluid dynamic analysis. Every analysis will be done on a computer or on the product itself. Here we will be assigning the materials, like a exact amount of force will be applying over that, so that if the fracture will be happening, it will be showing in the term of mesh over here. So this like simulating thing, if if the part is bending on a point where we are applying some force, and that part having some shear deformation or stress deformation on that, so how much bend it will be done, or how much stress or strain it will be like take before it is going to fracture. So this all can be analyzed, or according to that we will be modifying our raw materials, or we will be modifying our materials over here. If we are taking some materials and there our fracture is that our product is not getting or not not feeling that much, not taking that much of pressure, so for that will be changing to another raw materials. Okay, then if that raw material will be not existing, again you will be taking another raw material. So like this we can change over here, and until our satisfactions, okay, analysis satisfactions, until it will be not will be keep on generating. Before what they are doing, like they will be having physically things, okay, like they will be doing physical things, so that lots of waste time waste is there, and lot of cost effective is there. So that is why this is far better for our manufacturing processes, or we can say analyzing processes. Here computer engineering means analyzing things, okay. Like lot of software nowadays, ANSYS, MATLAB, Hypermesh, Simulink are this type of analyzing software. So here we can analyze things and program it accordingly, okay. So now NX also, CATIA also, they are providing the CI, but this much configuration software they are not providing, okay. This much strength or things that are not providing. So these are the pure, like ANSYS, Hypermesh, Simulink, MATLAB, these are the pure type of CI softwares. So with this we'll be winding up our session. So here we have learned about CAD, CAM, CI, what are CAD, CAM and CI. Thank you, have a nice day, keep learning and keep growing.